So I am up here now on the 3rd floor, and if you look in front of me, stairs I came up, but more importantly, pads are poured and ready for the installation of the air handlers, which are over here on the far side right now. We actually have here 2 air handlers set in place, not final place. We're beginning to get in place, along with the M&E infrastructure.
Sorry.
It's okay. Well, if they're working, I'm fine. The M&E infrastructure, the Robotherm infrastructure, support these air handlers. It's also going into place. So it's a good sign to see that the air handlers are starting to be set into position. The supporting infrastructure to go around these air handlers is going in, and there are more air handlers already delivered on site, ready to be set on their pads and to be put into position.